Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to run Facebook ads. Open the Facebook, go add corner, click on the profile and find Ad Center. Click on continue with create new ad. Complete out ads information. Get more website visitors, get more calls, get more leads for Facebook. Be carefully read all ad features. Connect to you WhatsApp. People you choose through targeting. Okay, so there is daily activity. Select the duration of day, payment through your card, add a card to run ads, fill out all with your ad requirements. This is how to run Facebook ads. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.